Your ceiling fans sound like this. Well, before you get ready to throw out that ceiling fan, why not try and fix it? Now, when your ceiling fan's making that kind of sound, it's known as bearing noise. Now there are two bearings located on a basic ceiling fan motor. This even can be similar with these kinds of house ceiling fans. I'm working with this industrial ceiling fan, good for workshops, warehouses, schools, high ceiling places, you name it. These ceiling fans are perfect for those areas. Now this is an old model. This one is pretty old. Who made this ceiling fan? Belnick. Now, if you want a ceiling fan that can last just a bit longer, don't buy their fans. Well, actually, I have no idea how long this lasted until it made all that noise. But, yeah. If you want a fan that lasts for a very long time, don't buy these. So, one bearing is located right here on the motor. Now, don't worry, you don't need to really take off the motor housing depending on what kind of fan you have. If you have a fan that doesn't include this hole, you're going to need to take apart the motor, which I'll have a separate video too. If your ceiling fan does have one of these holes, you're in luck. You need some bearing grease and a rag. But if you don't have that, you can just use the bearing grease itself. Just make sure you at least use something like a little t-shirt to wipe some of the grease off. Now, located at the top of the motor, you'll have this little cup-looking thing known as the lower canopy. Now, under here, located under this, is the capacitor and various wiring connections. So, how you remove this is by just simply removing this screw, or loosening it really, and the wiring will be revealed. See you then. Alright, now that you loosen the upper canopy of your ceiling fan, you will be met by this capacitor. Now, this part is really important, so if it's tie strapped to anything, or you see it's using factory connectors, don't replace them. That's how the fan was made. Now back to the bearings. So, if you pass everything, you'll see this little black area right by where the fan is just mounted to the down rod. Let me see if I can get you in some better lighting. So, somewhere here, there's this little black area. Now you're going to want to insert grease through that area, and insert grease through the bottom area, and then you'll be done. So, yeah. I'll see you when I do that. Alright guys, so I inserted some WD-40 into the ceiling fan. Now, it definitely makes less noise. So, thanks for watching. This was Guess 2012 8. Bye.